Hey y'all, this is Selena. I am the children's librarian here at the Wichita Falls Public Library, and this bird feeder is so easy, even your littles can do it. All you need is lard, a toilet paper roll, and string, and we've provided all three for you. First thing you're going to do is cover the toilet paper roll in the lard. Now, I used a plastic knife to spread it, but you can also use a popsicle stick. Once it's completely covered, and I gave you plenty, so pack it on there, you're going to roll it in birdseed. Now you can use the birdseed we provided, or you can use your own. You might also use mixes that include nuts, or dried fruit, or even freeze-dried mealworms. All are favorites with local birds. I just spread my birdseed on a plate and just rolled and pushed the toilet paper tube right into it to kind of get it to stick into the lard. Once it's completely covered, you just slide your string through, tie off the end, and then hang it where your little bird friends can find it and enjoy it. I hung ours right outside the library, and our birds are loving it. So they are, however, camera shy, would not let me get a photo. I'm hoping that you can get pictures of your birds enjoying these and that you'll share them with us. Enjoy.
For the tin can bird feeder, you will need a tin can with the label removed, a drill or a hammer and nail, a ruler, a Sharpie, and a 12 to 18 piece of durable string or twine. First, you will need to grab your can and ruler. You're going to measure about 1/4 inch from each end and grab your marker and put dots where you need to make the holes later on. For this part, you may need an adult or a parent. It will be easier if you use a drill to make the holes if you have one at home. I did not have one when I did this, so if you get a hammer and a nail, you can make the holes that way as well. It's a little bit harder, but it does work. After you've created your holes, you will grab your string or twine and put it through one hole. You're going to thread this inside the can, so it's going to look something similar to this, and you're going to push it out through the hole so the string's going outside of the can. Once you have the twine or string through the can, all you need to do is tie a knot up top and you're finished. You can also decorate your bird feeder. I decorated it with washi tape after the fact. If you choose to paint it, I would paint it before doing any of the steps besides removing the label. Wait a day and then drill the holes and thread the string through.
For this craft, you're going to need a bottle of any size. Included in your kit will also be a long piece of twine and 2 pencils. The tools you will need are a permanent marker, a knife that you're comfortable heating up, and a lighter or other flame source. So about 1 inch or 2 up from the bottom of the bottle, mark a dot on either end of the bottle for your pencil, and then measure up 1 inch and mark another dot on either end for the seed holes. You'll do that again about 3 inches up from that and turn sideways. Now heat the tip of your knife for 10 to 20 seconds and carefully punch a 1/4 inch hole at each dot. If you want, you can also decorate your bottle with colorful duct tape at this point. Now slowly work both of your pencils through their holes, and then it will look like this when you're done. Now mark a dot in the center of your bottle cap, and with your heated knife tip, drill a hole through it so that you can push twine through. Work both ends of your twine through the hole, either using a paper clip or a push pin or even a darning needle to force it. Tie the ends of your twine into a triple knot to make sure that it won't come through the bottle cap. And now we're ready to fill it with birdseed. No matter how big you made the birdseed holes, you'll want to cover them with tape just to make the filling part easier and mess-free. I did not have a funnel or a cup handy, so I improvised with a smaller bottle. Fill your bottle to the top and screw your threaded lid on and remove the tape. Your bird feeder is ready to hang in a tree or a bush.